quick tip for installing hardware. I like using my hardware installation template, which I picked up from Amazon for around $7. I find this little tool invaluable. It really helps me center the hardware and make it so easy for me to know where to drill. However, if you don't have one of these templates and you want a DIY hack to install your hardware, use painter's tape. And all you have to do is take a piece of painter's tape and apply it to the back of your hardware. Then take a pencil and run it over the hardware holes so you'll see exactly where the middle of that hardware hole is. Then measure your furniture or your drawer exactly where you want your hardware to go. And of course, this will differ on each different hardware you use. Lay the painter's tape on, measure again, so measure twice, drill once, and then you know exactly where to drill your holes, and it makes installing hardware so much easier.